Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Usaro Sophia. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to be making an autogele using an Ankara. So for a start, I'm going to cut 2 yards of Ankara. Cutting out the 2 yards, I'll measure out 18 inches, that is half a yard, for making the base. You can check out my previous videos on how to make an autogele base. So now I will go back to the remaining 1.5 yard. So now I'll be using the 1.5 yard to cut out rope, as many rope as possible. I'll join everything together to make a straight long rope, which I'll be using for the plate. The rope is about 2 inches wide, and I added an interlining inside the rope to make it a bit thick, a bit stronger. You can see it's a bit stronger. Interlining, popularly known as a gum stay, added it inside because the fabric is not that strong. Place the rope on top of the base to measure out the length of the base and stretch it out a bit to the hand of the base, from one edge to the other edge. Measure it out, then I will use that as the measurement I'll be using for folding the rope. I'm going to be folding all the ropes together like this as shown. I'm going to be folding it as shown. Make sure it's equal and smooth. If you notice, as I fold, I make sure I arrange to get a smooth surface. And I also curve. You can see I'm folding the plate, because this rope folding is going to serve as plate for this tutorial today. You can see I'm putting the last edge, instead of putting it outside, I'm putting it in to give me a neat work. Now I'm going to make sure the surface is smooth and well arranged. I'll hit properly to make sure it's smooth and properly arranged at the front. That is at the other side. Now I'll take a needle and thread, and I'll join it in the middle. After measuring to make it equal, to make sure both sides are equal, I'm going to join it at the middle first. Then I'll continue the process all around. So you can see, as I sew, I'm also arranging it by hitting it from this side to make sure it's smooth on the other surface. I'll continue this process on one side first before I'll go to the other side. You can see I'm done. I'm almost through with this side. Now I'll go and do same for the other side. As I sew, I arrange. Now after sewing the plates, I'm going to take the piece and put the plate at the middle of the piece, like as shown. I'm going to put it like this. Make sure they both are equal. They are both equal. Now I'm going to join the plate to the piece, starting from the middle. I just take 2 or more plates and pass the needle out through it first, so that it won't be very hard. Then I take it right back through it. Now continue the process, the left and the right end. You can see I'm already through with this end. I'm going to make sure it's properly secured. Wow, it's beautiful, just like hand tied. Wow, guys, this is the finished look. It's not that big. If you want yours to be very big, you can use about 3 yards of fabric. That is 3 yards of Ankara for making this. I use just 2 yards for achieving this look. If you want yours to be bigger than this, you can use more. Thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.